Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. Today's a little bit different because, well, it's not 5 p.m. It's also Sunday. It's really cold outside, and I'm just thinking of something quick, easy, hearty, warming, and just a nice all around meal. Today, I want to do something a little different because a lot of you have asked whenever you cook, you have all your stuff ready, you just throw it in your pan, and away you go. Well, it's because I take the time before to cut everything, to get everything ready, measured out, so that when I do want to make it, I just toss it all in the pan and I'm ready to go. But I thought today I would actually show you sort of like the behind the scenes, if you want to call it that. This will be one of two videos going up, and it'll just be a little time lapse of actually what I do before I shoot the video. So, kind of a sneak peek. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's just what I do before we all get ready. So, anyways, there won't be any audio. I'm going to overlay some music or something. I'm going to try. I don't know. I've never done this, so we're going to have some fun. This is going to be a learning experience for us all, I guess. So, I guess let's get to it. Yeah, let's have some fun.